Do you believe that there are people who are bubble-headed, weak-minded, don't know anything, or unsmart? Well, most people believe that they are unintelligent, that their brains are undeveloped or weak, or that they are not bright. Similar to how I felt in high school. I thought I was brainless, had a poor mind, and so on. Academically speaking, I'm not very good at that. I get worried every time when my name is being called from the index card. I also get ashamed when I can't answer anything during our oral recitations. And I also don't know what to answer when we take an exam or quiz in mathematics. So, when I come home from school, I immediately go straight to my room and my tears start to flow there. I was thinking, why? Why am I not good as them? As smart as them? Why? And because of the negative thoughts that cross my mind, I feel like I don't want to attend to school any longer. And I am dismayed by the possibility that I may be unable to respond to any questions posed by the teachers or on the test. But a few years passed, when I was in senior high school, my perspective in that matter changed. I had a teacher who told us that no one is bobo, only lazy people are. If you just study hard, you won't be afraid to answer when your teacher asks you a question. And that's what stuck in my mind. So since then, I study hard. I focus on our lessons that I didn't fully understand, like mathematics. So what I always did was review here, review there, review everywhere. So every time when we have an exam or oral recitations, I am no longer nervous or afraid. In fact, I am now calm, confident, and even excited. Because I know that I can respond to the questions that my teacher may ask. Aside from that, I studied hard. Additionally, it's satisfying to receive a perfect grades on tests, exams, or an oral recitations. And I also did not expect that I would receive an honors in grade 11 and 12. I received 3rd honor in grade 11, and grade 12 was the best year of my life since I never imagined being the top students in our class with an average of 96. I'm overjoyed since all of my hard work and effort during the review have paid off. I have achieved a lot in my studies that I did not achieve before. At that point, I came to the conclusion that nobody is truly bobo. And I proved that I wasn't actually weak-minded. I was simply too lazy to study. It is therefore not impossible for you to pass all of your examinations and quizzes if you just make an effort to study. Therefore, you and I and everyone else are intelligent. We are all intelligent. We are not born unsmart, or foolish, ignorant, or weak-minded. You only believe it because you have a negative mindset. So, if you believe that there are people who are foolish, then you are wrong. There is no such thing as a foolish person because God gave every one of us varied intelligence. Thank you.